In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Phantom Wallet to Coinbase Wallet. So the first thing you want to do is go to Phantom, and you want to click on the very top left where you can see the A1, so your account. And after you click this, at the very top right, you can see your settings. So first you want to click on those settings, and then you want to navigate yourself inside the security and privacy, which is down here, the third option, as you can see. And in here, it will say show recovery phrase at the very bottom. So you want to click on that. And after that, it will say recovery phrase 1, show one account. You want to click on this. And then it will say keep your recovery phrase secret. Now, once you can see this, you will have to confirm down at the bottom. It says, I will not share my recovery phrase with any third party, person, website, or application. So you want to confirm that and press continue. And after that, the app will show you your recovery phrase. Now, you want to copy that recovery phrase. It will give you an option to do so. And then after you do it, what you want to do is simply go to your Coinbase wallet. And inside the Coinbase wallet, you want to click at the very top left where it says address 1. And then at the bottom where it says add and manage wallet. So click on that. And from here, the penultimate option down here is import a wallet. You simply want to click on import a wallet. And then it says recovery phrase. You want to click on the recovery phrase. And in here, you want to click enter manually, and then you want to do acknowledge. And then in here is where you want to basically paste your recovery phrase. Now you can't see this because it's blocked on my screen right now. However, once you come to this point and you click enter manually over here, you'll be basically given a field where you can paste in your 12-word recovery phrase you got from your Phantom wallet. And once you've done that, press continue, import it, and your wallet will successfully be imported from Phantom to Coinbase Wallet. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.